So now, if you put n equals to 1 means the denominator is also 0. So 0 by 0 means it will be indeterminate form. So to avoid that thing, you have to mention Bn will be 0 for all the values except for n equals to 1. So that is Bn equals to 0 for all n not equals to 1. So that means B2 will be 0, B3 will be 0, B4, B5 up to infinity. B infinity, all terms are 0, only at n equals to 1, Bn is not defined according to this obtained expression. So that's why, so the same procedure, how you found the A1 separately, the same thing you have to apply here also. So in the Bn formula, just you have to put n equals to 1 and you have to integrate that integrand, obtained integrand. So Bn, we know that 1 by pi integration over 0 to 2 pi x into f of x into sin nx. If you put n equals 1 means it will become sin x. So now you substitute the f of x, then it will become x sin x into sin x dx. So sin x into sin x means it will become sin square x. For sin square x, we know the formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So now 1 by 2 you can take it out, and remaining thing you can apply directly integration, otherwise you can split and integration. So if you split it means it will become 0 to 2 pi x dx minus integration from 0 to 2 pi x into cos 2x dx. So this one, integration of this one is x square by 2, and here you have to apply Bernoulli's rule of integration. X into integration of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x by 2 minus derivative of x is 1, and integration of minus sin 2x by 2 will become minus cos 2x by 4. So if you apply the upper and lower limit, the first this term x sin 2x by 2, this will become vanish. So just you have to apply for the first and third term. First term it will become 4 pi square and lower limit will become 0 divided by 2. Minus 1 by 4 is constant. So actually minus only, minus into minus into minus. Minus 1 by 4 is constant, cos 4 pi minus cos 0. So that means it will become 1 minus 1. So that means this also will be 0. Only first term left out. So first term, in the first term 2 you can cancel here, and 2 pi also you can cancel. The remaining term will become B1 will be equals to pi. Is it clear? Understood all of you up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you have to put f of x equals the function series form is a0 by 2 plus an cos nx plus bn sin nx. So now you put the value of a0. So since yes, while talking to your parents or in home, so here you unmute and then talk. Don't simply disturb the class. So now, since A1 is different and remaining ANs are same, just I am splitting this series AN cos nx. If you split this one means by putting n equals to 1 to infinity, it will become A1 cos x plus A2 cos 2x plus A3 cos 3x plus so on. Similarly, Bn sin nx, if you put n equals 1, 2, 3, then it will become series form is B1 sin nx sin x plus B2 sin 2x plus B3 sin 3x. So now you substitute the values. So actually A0 value we got it as minus 2, so that means it will become minus 1. Just to check once and you continue. So and A1 is minus 1 by 2 cos x, and for the remaining values just you have to put n equals to, then you will get the A2 value, that will become 2 by 2 square minus, and the A3 will be 2 by 3 square minus 1, like this so on. And B1 is the only non-zero value, that is pi sin x, and remaining all terms are 0. So just it will become 1 plus pi sin x minus 1 by 2 cos x plus 2 by 2 square minus 1 cos 2x plus 2 by 3 square minus 1 cos 3x plus so on, will become the required series form of the Fourier series form of the given function x sin x. Understood all of you? Are any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Anybody? Those who are attending today itself, are they in meeting or already left out? Okay, next problem you try. So this is actually not clear. I will tell the function just to try. F of x equals square root of 1 minus cos x in the interval 0 to 2 pi.
So once again.
F of x equals square root of 1 minus cos x in the interval 0, 2 pi. And hence evaluate 1 by, in denominator 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus so on.